You know, I always start this KZ parked here in my front yard. There's a reason for that, because it may not start. Let's see if we can get her to start today. Choke on, clutch in. Let's prime it. Don't know why that works, but it usually works. See? She starts just like that. Now we gotta let her warm up. She's an old girl, give her time. But I already checked the tire pressures and we are going on a quick ride today. Well, fairly quick. I smell gas. Do you smell gas? Of course not, you're on a video. That's why I smell gas. There's that whole fuel spitting out thing. Well, let's just figure out if we can't stop that. Now she's dry. I think it was a stuck float. All right, real quick, nobody coming. I don't know if you can see it, but that overflow tube is empty. So she appears to have stopped leaking for now. And who opened the floodgates? But it gives us another chance to check. Bone dry. That was a temporary leak. I much prefer temporary leaks to permanent ones. But it reminds me, that's why I always have a hat. See, hat, yeah. Ooh, let's go. 8,000 RPMs to wake you up in the morning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm John, you're watching Road Reality, and today we're riding the KZ. And I didn't even plan on filming today, but it's always good practice to practice your craft. Wah-ha, yaha, wah-ha. You don't just go out and ride your bike, you know. You do some swerves and you practice your cornering. And you stand in the middle of the road. Okay, well that's new. Look out, there's a guy at the corner. Yeah, there you go. Woo! All right, if you saw the thumbnail, always bring a hat. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been on this side of the road way too many times, and if it's raining or cold or super sunny, you don't want to be too uncomfortable, so bring a hat with you. And we always say we're going to go down this road, and we never do. I'm going down this road. And I just realized I've had my left blinker on for the last 2 miles. Oh boy, old man Ronan would not be happy with me. This is Needwood Park, I think is what it's called, but it goes around to Lake Needwood. We're gonna come up, this is pretty bumpy here, but we're gonna come up to a stop sign, and if you go right, it heads out towards the golf course, and if you go left, I don't know, let's go left. Rock Creek Regional Park, Lake Needwood. Okay, so that's where we're at. You know, I always do this. I ride down a road and I go, whoa, this is so-and-so, or this is such and such an area. And then my buddy Dustin comes on with the comments section and he's like, yeah, so there's this historical fact that you didn't know about this whole area. And I'm like, oh crap. What do we do now? Go this way. Blinker off. Hey, old man Ronan, I did it. And I still have no idea where I'm at, but this is neat. So Dustin comes in the comments section and he's always dropping historical facts on me. One of these days, I gotta have him lead me around the area and show me all the stuff that I've lived around and know nothing about. Does that happen to anybody else, or is it just me being an idiot? Listen to that purr. Oops, did I bump the camera? Oh yeah. We're definitely spilling gas. Oh, BMW. Yeah, it's the left one now. I guess I'm gonna need more seafoam. But the bike's idling well. Now I feel sort of bad, I'm polluting. Maybe I should cut this ride short. I knew it had been too long since I took this daggone bike out. Left or right? I vote left. Yeah, gotta go left. Now the funny thing about this bike spitting out gas is it used to do it all the time. And it would do it random cylinders like you're seeing today. And then last year I did all the seafoam and it wasn't leaking. Earlier this year I've been on a few rides and no leakage. And now all of a sudden it's leaking again. Somebody's grilling hot dogs and hamburgers, hell yeah. And I think we made a big loop. Yeah, see right in there, okay. So now we're gonna go to the right and see what's happening. Hopefully I don't run out of fuel before I get home. Well, we're not trailing smoke, that's a good sign. Holy crap, are these big speed bumps. Oh, you almost need an ADV bike to go over these things. Oh, now I guess you know why I don't come down this road. Oh, goodness. Yeah, so apparently the floats are stuck again. I let it sit too long. Guess I gotta buy more seafoam and put it in. Maybe I have another can. Ooh, I should go home and see if I have another can. They really are quite serious about keeping people from speeding down this road. Nice thing is, I rev it out in first gear, I'm only doing 25. Or, okay, 30, definitely 30. Oh, Rain Man moment. And we should be coming up, yeah, on a stop sign, and I'm gonna see if we're still leaking fuel. Nice thing is this bike has hazards. Oh yeah, I think we're dumping fuel. Yeah, we're gonna make a right and go home. That was a fun little jaunt through the Avery Proving Ground, huh? Am I right? What are you doing? Well, I guess they suffer from the same problem I do. Failure to turn off their turn signal. Dry on the right side? Yeah. Still dumping fuel out of the left side. Sugar. I got a fix for that. We're gonna try it when we get back to the house. Now the left one's dry, we're gonna have to check it when we get home. It may not be leaking anymore. Whatever piece of gunk was holding the float in place and getting it stuck might have worked itself loose. Nothing like 8,500 RPMs to do that, right? That is like the best DIY fix ever. So, see you back at the house. Oh no, we're still filling fuel. All right, one way you can check for a stuck float is with a screwdriver. This one's got a plastic handle so it won't ding up the metal too bad. But you give it a few taps on the float bowl. I like to tap a couple of spots, then we'll try to start her up again. Make sure she's in neutral. There we go. All right, you gotta hold the clutch on this one. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Didn't run it long enough. Well, that's all right. This bike has a kickstart. There you go. Easy peasy. Give her some revs while looking at that pipe, that tube. Now she looks good. I don't see any gas moving. All right, turn it off. I need the key. Look what I found. Seafoam, good stuff. Break the seal knot over the bike. There we go. It's hard to do this one-handed. There we go. Yeah, half a tank. So we'll put about 4 ounces in, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we put about 5 in. That's all right. You can use up to 2 ounces of this stuff per gallon. And I gotta spin the key to lock it in, don't I? Yeah, there we go. Ta-da! Okie dokie. All right, the seafoam put away. Our next best step is to go put some gas in it. So I'm gonna stand on the bike because she probably won't start. Yeah, that's what I thought. Kickstand time, or Kickstarter time. There we go. I don't see puddles of fuel. Boy, it got nasty hot out here. Oh, we're gonna sit at this light, aren't we? Sugar. Dry on the right side, dry on the left, or just completely dumping fuel on the ground. I don't see any air bubbles, but I also don't see anything on the ground. Woohoo! That's my happy dance. Yeah, see it? Happy dance. Throw a little shout out to Ride with Red, who was always doing a happy dance up in Canada. I know. I'm not that big of an idiot. I sometimes like pronouncing words wrong, just because it's fun. But she's up there in Canada, puts out great videos every week. She does slow bike races and stuff. It's a lot of fun to watch. Check it out if you haven't. I'll leave a link in the description below. And a shout out to a friend of mine who I won't name because he is incognito on the old social media, but he gave me the old carb float is stuck, here's how to fix it at home trick without breaking anything open. And that was the screwdriver, so thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. Still dry. Let's go fill up. This seafoam works best if you mix it in. And by the time we get home, it'll be thoroughly mixed. This is a word of caution to my friends in YouTube land. Ride your bikes on a regular basis. Otherwise, they're not happy with you. Oh yeah. She wants to run. Go, 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 go. Hey! You know, he even looked. What gives? You know, it just goes to show you, I had his attention, I saw him, I locked eyes with him in his passenger mirror, and he still chose to come right over. What the hell is wrong with some people? We're just gonna wait patiently here. See you after I fill up. Anyway, just took 2.7 gallons and 54 miles, so yeah, it's not really good. I think I was dumping quite a bit of fuel while riding earlier. Yeah, it doesn't want to kick over. All right, kickstand time. Kickstarter. Hey, there we go. Down off the center speed. All right, fresh fuel, fresh seafoam. Let's go work it into the system. First, I'm going to stop here and see if I'm leaking. Nothing on the left, nothing on the right. Let's go for a little ride. My theory is I just need to ride this bike more and keep putting seafoam in it, and it'll keep working the bugs out. That's my theory. So, anywho. All right, after some spirited riding, I have stopped here at my second favorite 7-Eleven, and I checked and we're not leaking fuel, so I am going to take a nice spirited ride down Munchester Proving Ground. And if I can get it, there we go, push down and back, right? Anyway, the bike's not gonna start unless I kickstart it, so I'm gonna kickstart it and I'm gonna get out of here. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a like. And I got a bunch of other stuff, so go check it out and hopefully you'll subscribe. Hopefully I've earned it by now. They are free. So, anyway, ta-da for now. Yeah, the one kick wonder. All right. Well, Almost 20 miles later, we made it home, safe and sound. Look at that, no more drips. Good stuff. Let's check the other side. Yep, looks dry over here too. Nothing on the ground. And yes, I know you can see the spots, but those are old spots. So anyway, I'll leave a link to this in the description below because this stuff is awesome. And have a good day. Yeah, good times. Thanks for coming along with me. I appreciate it. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. Ta-da.